Hey guys, what is going on? Today is possibly going to be the shortest video I ever upload to YouTube, and it is about where to look when you are swimming for triathlon. So with the triathlon technique. I'm not going to do any intros, I'm going to cut straight to the chase. Where should you look? You should look straight down. That is the simplest way to have a body position that is as close as possible and as parallel as possible as to the surface of the water. This way, our stroke will be as efficient as possible. Our neck, our back will be very long. Our bum will be very close to the surface of the water, and our feet also. Benefits of looking straight down when you're swimming is having an elongated neck, back, and this directly produces a streamlined position close to the surface of the water that keeps us floating, creating as little drag as possible and basically allowing us to work with the water. I'm making this video because my coach, who was a triathlon specific coach, the first time he saw me swimming, he said, "Where are you looking when you swim?" And I said, "I look straight down," because I'd seen many YouTube videos about this by effortless swimming. And he told me, "No, you must not look straight down, you must look in front of you." Looking in front of you is the best way to get your bottom to go down and your legs to sink down. It's literally the best way to do that. Triathlon and long distance triathlon technique is very focused on being as efficient as possible in the water, and this means creating as little drag as possible. So maintaining a streamlined position as close as possible to the surface of the water, think about yourself as a log who's floating in the water, is the best way to swim efficiently for long distance. Best drills to practice this are the push off from the wall drill, kicking drills looking straight down. I would do these with a snorkel and using a pool buoy to swim to get familiar with what that position feels like. Another thing that really helps me keep my bum close to the surface of the water is to try and slightly tense the glutes and the upper back muscles, just a tiny bit, to give it a bit of tension and keep the body streamlined and in a good position. I would recommend anyone to get a coach, but please make sure that this coach is someone who knows what they're talking about, who is familiar with triathlon and is familiar with triathlon stroke technique for age groupers, not for elite athletes. This is completely different. So please get a coach or a video analysis, but by someone who knows what they're talking about. That is fundamentally important. Someone who knows about long distance triathlon, and especially someone who knows what it's like to learn how to swim when you are 25, 27, 30, 35. Oftentimes people who have been swimming since a young age, who were competitive swimmers, cannot understand the problems that we as age groupers and as adult onset swimmers have. They literally cannot understand how we can have these problems. Remember, swimming, even if we learn as adults, and it is dramatically harder to someone who learned when they were young, can really be a lot of fun. Really short video today, but I believe that where to look when you're swimming for triathlon is a fundamentally important thing that oftentimes gets overlooked. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you struggle with this. Join the Discord chat to chat with people from all around the world who have the same problems as you. You can ask questions and you can have answers from so many more people, not just me, so many other people who are way more advanced than me. So yeah, check it out. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day.